All right, here's an example where working backwards would be the approach we would choose after we've read the problem, of course, and think about what we're trying to come up with. We'll find out that we want to work backwards to get our question answered. So here's how it goes. 3 guards are on duty at the orchard. A thief sneaks in past all 3 of them apparently, steals some apples. On his way out, he encounters each of the guards at different times, and each time he gives the guard half of his apples. The thief ends up escaping with 1 apple. How many did the thief have to start with? All right, well, we think about, well, maybe guess and check. We could pick a number like 20 and cut it in half to 10. Half of that is 5. 2.5 doesn't really work for numbers of apples. So again, job 1 is think about some approaches we've learned and how do we get from this information to our answer. And we think, hey, let's work backwards. It's easier to work from the 1 and keep going opposite instead of coming up with a number to guess and just keep cutting in half. So here's our picture. Here's all his apples he's got, which we don't know. He cuts it in half once for the first guard, and again, cuts it in half and ends up with 1. All right. Well, wouldn't it be a lot easier to work backwards from that 1, and instead of cutting in half, we double each time. So guard 1 was able to get 1 apple from him. The second guard got 2 from him. The third guard got 4 from him, which had to have been half of what he started with. So he must have started with 8 apples to begin with.